Brain exercises for you. We all do some sort of exercise for our body, whether it be yoga, pilates, gymming, anything. But what about our brain? Here are few exercises for your brain which are very simple yet challenging. Let's start with the first. This, and you have to exchange it now. Very simple, right? Try it once. The neurotransmitters of our fingers are connected with our brains. Second, this is again very simple. You have to keep your hands like this. You have to take your thumb out and the tiny finger out. Now we have to exchange it. So this thumb is going inside and this thumb is coming outside. This finger is going outside and this finger is coming outside. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Trust me, this is going to increase your concentration, going to make you more focused. Try this with your friends and especially your kids. Now the third exercise is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple, right? Going back again and then doing it with both the hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there comes a twist. So in this hand we are starting with this finger, but in our right hand we are starting with this finger. So we have to go like this and then coming back. Try it. Okay, I'm getting a little confused. If you have seen Andhadhun movie, there Ayushmann Khurrana is keeping his eyes closed to concentrate more on the music. So this is again one of the brain exercise. You can try doing certain exercise by keeping your eyes closed. When you keep your eyes closed, your brain gives signals to the other organs to perform the function of your eye. So say for example, don't try it anywhere of course. Say for example, if you want to make a shape. So you are keeping your eyes closed and making a shape circle, square, triangle, or doing any small things by keeping your eyes closed. Listening to the music by keeping your eyes closed. This is going to help you to make your brain function more efficiently. Now fifth, using your non-dominant hand. If you are righty, try to use your left hand more, and if you are lefty, try to use your right hand more. So this will try to activate both the parts of your brain by doing the regular simple routine work. Say for example, brushing your teeth with your left hand if you are a righty. Maybe washing utensils or swiping the floor with your non-dominant hand. Try it. You are going to feel uncomfortable, but soon your brain will try to be habitual with this thing. Sixth exercise. Now this is very simple. Your left hand is going to guide your right hand and your right hand is going to guide your left hand. So you have to keep like this. Now my left hand is going to order my right hand. 1. Now this will order this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Going back again. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now the seventh exercise, you have to coordinate your breathing with your hand movements. So you have to keep your hand like this. You have to breathe in and take the left hand above. And then you have to breathe out and do this. You have to grab your right hand and then opposite. You have to breathe in, breathe out. Now there is a twist. When you are breathing out, you have to breathe out through your mouth. So your brain is going to do multiple functioning, breathing in with your nose, then breathe out with your mouth, and then the hand coordination. Try to do it once. Let's start. There are more such exercises for your brain. You can try this with your kids. This is going to give them a break in their daily routine, and at the same time, it is going to make their brain function more efficiently. So definitely this is something which you should try with your kids at their initial stage only. And in fact, this is wonderful for you as well. So try it. Happy brain workout.